Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. You have already studied about decimal and different operation on decimal. So, let's see some word problem based on decimal. Question number 1. What should be added to 6.419 to get 9? Let's take an example to explain this question. एक छोटा सा नंबर लेकर एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. Suppose 5 plus 3, you know, all of you, 8. और अगर एक नंबर दिया है एंड रिजल्ट दिया है, सो यू कैन फाइंड सेकेंड नंबर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what should be added to 5 to get 8? So you can find easily. आपका आंसर होगा 3. तो इसी तरह से हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पर आते हैं. In this question, result is 9 and one number is 6.419. तो हमें सेकेंड नंबर कैसे फाइंड करना है? सो वील राइट हेयर रिक्वायर्ड नंबर subtract first number from result. First number is 6.419. So we have to perform subtraction between these numbers. You can find, you know very well. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Then 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 9 minus 4, 5. Decimal, we put the decimal. And whole number minus whole number. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. It is your result. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. What should be added to the difference of 12.45 and 8.75 to get 15.05? Again here the sum of two number and it is a result. Here one number में difference of the two decimal numbers and second number is not given and result is given. So you can find what is given to us. The sum of two number is 15.05 and one number is given. So one number is the subtract of both numbers. Which both numbers? 12.45 minus 8.75. So we have to perform this subtraction between both the numbers. 12.45, 8.75. So here 5 minus 5 0, 7, 14 it is 1, 7, 11 minus 8, here is 3. So it is the one number. So you can find required number. We have result and one number now. So now these are given to us. So we can find required number result subtract 3.70. So what is the answer? 5 minus 0, 5, and here is 0, so we'll write here 10, and here is 4, this means 14. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 14 minus 3 is 11. We get 11.35. Okay. Question number 3. By how much is the sum of 18 minus 36 and 15 minus 08 greater than their difference? So first we find the sum of both numbers. Sum of which both numbers? 18.36 and 15.08. First we find the sum. हमें पहले इनको दोनों को ऐड करना है, आफ्टर दैट वी सब्ट्रैक्ट, और फिर ये पता करना है कि ये जो सम का एडिशन का जो रिजल्ट है वो इसे सब्ट्रैक्शन से कितना बड़ा है. सो लेट वी सी 18.36. So we have to perform addition between both numbers. So 6 plus 8 is 14. We'll write here 4 unit number, and 3 and 1 4. We put here decimal. 8 plus 5 3, 13, and 1 1 1 1, 33.44. Now we find the difference of both numbers. Difference of 18.36 and 15.08. 18.36 subtract 15.08. 6 minus 8 we cannot find, it is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. Here is 2, remaining number is 2. 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Now what we find? The question is by how much is the sum of both number is greater than their difference. So let me see. Sum minus difference. 33.44 and 3.28. See, we can find it. 14 minus 8, 6. The remaining number is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Decimal. 3 minus 3, 0. And 3. This is the result. Question number 4, do yourself, because it is same as question number 3. So now come to the question number 5. How much would a dozen eggs cost if the price of every egg is given 4 rupees 25? So what is given to us? The cost of one egg. Is rupees 4.25, and question is find the cost of one dozen means 12 eggs. 12 eggs. From unitary method we multiply by 12. अगर एक का कॉस्ट दिया है और ज़्यादा का पूछा है तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, और अगर ज़्यादा का दिया और एक का पूछा जाए तो हमें डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यूनिटरी मेथड वी हैव टू परफॉर्म मल्टीप्लाई between both numbers. 4.25 multiply 12. Ignore decimal. First we multiply by 425. 12 5 जा 60. 12 2 जा 24 and 6 30 का 0 and we'll write here 3. 12 4 जा 48 and 3 51. Then the cost of 12 eggs is rupees 51. Answer. Question number 6. Bakery uses 75.6 kg sugar every week. So, answer statement: sugar used in a week means 7 days. How much? 75.6 kg. And next line is, how much sugar is used by the bakery unit each day? It means sugar used in 1 day. So from unitary method, 75.6 divide by 7. ज़्यादा की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा का दिया है और 1 का निकालना है, तो वी कैन डिवाइड. सो we have to perform division between both number. See, 1 जा minus 0 और carry out किया 5, but it is smaller than divisor, तो we'll write here 0 minus 5 and 6 carry out किया 6, but here before 6 here is decimal, so we put here decimal. So 7 8 ja 56. So in 1 day sugar used 10.8 kg. It is your answer. Question number 7 is very simple question, so do yourself. Now come to the question number 8. Rohan adds some money to his savings and spends all the money on 4 video games. So how much money had Rohan saved before he added that money? So answer statement, what is given to us? Cost of 1 video game. So we can find cost of 4 video game. 4 video games. So cost of 1 video game is 570 rupees 20 paisa. From unitary method we multiply by 4. 4 0 is 0, 4 2 is 8, we write here decimal. 4 0 is 0, 4 7 is 28, unit number will write here 8 and 2. 5 4 is 20 and 2 is 22. So cost of 4 video game is 2280 rupees 80 paisa. But question is, how much money had Rohan saved before he added rupees 275.75? So Rohan had saved money ₹2280 80 पैसे में से हमें 275 रुपीज़ 75 पैसा सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद ही उसने 4 वीडियो गेम्स ख़रीदा था, इसीलिए हमें उसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो बिफोर मनी इज, it is 10, it is 7. before money is 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 0, it is also 10, it is also 7, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 7 0, 2 minus 2 0, we'll write here 2. So answer is Rohan had saved money 2005 rupees 5 paisa. Question number 9, it is your last question. Rohan covers 0.6 meter in each step while running. In a 100 meter race, after covering 68.8 meter, he fell down. How many steps remained for Rohan to finish the race? So come to the question number 9. What is given to us? Total distance total distance 100 मीटर 100 मीटर की रेस थी but he covered 68.8 meter. So remaining distance is 68.8, subtract 68.8 from 100. So here is 10 minus 8 is 2, here is 9 minus 8 is 1, here is 9 minus 6 is 3. So remaining distance is 31.2. So question is, how many steps remained for Rohans to finish the race? Number of steps Rohan covers 0.6 meter in each step. So 31.2 divided by 0.6. Here is a 2 decimal number. First we remove the decimal number. So we convert into fraction. Here is 1 digit, so 1 0, 1 digit, so 1 0. So 312 upon 10, convert in multiply and reciprocal of second fraction. So cancel out and see in the rough, it is the multiples of 6. Yes, 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30 and 1 is balance, 6 2 ja 12. You can see in the rough space, आप check कर सकते हैं. So answer is 52 steps. Okay. Now student, unit 2 is over. Ready for revision test. It is your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.